Previously on the Swag family.
Listen. Y'all hear that?
Get me lit. Get me lit. Get me lit. We in the spot, making it hot. Nobody on shit. Nobody on shit. I got the sauce, I got the drip, making them sick. Making them sick. I got a bottle, you got a bottle. Let's take a sip. Let's take a sip. Get me lit. Get me lit. Get me lit. Yeah. We in the spot, making it hot. Nobody on shit. Nobody on shit. I got the sauce, I got the drip, making them sick. Making them sick. I got a bottle, you got a bottle. Let's take a sip. Let's take a sip. Get me lit. Watch me get lit. Watch me get lit.
What's good, Swag Gang? This your boy Steve-O and the beautiful lady
Sierra.
Today, we back at y'all with another video. Today we doing the baby heartbeat at 13 weeks with a Fetal Doppler. What? Doppler? A Doppler. It's Doppler, huh? The Doppler. I guess how they pronounce it, bro. The Doppler right here. Y'all see it. We finna see our baby heart rate. What it is. Or a heartbeat. Our unborn, bro. So if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. For more other videos y'all get on any ideas, let us know in the comment section right now. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let us know what type of video y'all like to see from us. You got something to tell them? No? You got nothing? So y'all stay tuned. We finna get right to this video. So right now, we finna get ready to grease up. I wish I had my gloves, but I forgot the gloves in the car. But something had to come in here. But this way it came in right here, y'all. Y'all can see it right there. This is what it came in. It did came, or it just came with that. Tell the instructions and everything, the manual. Book right there. I don't know what this is. Fetal Doppler. Quality insurance card. What? Oh, it's an insurance card. Pass. QC pass. I guess that's how they got this stuff going on, man. This is what they got. But this was the box that came in. We finna get ready to test this thing out, you feel me? So if y'all trying to purchase this, what you guys got this off for? Where you guys got this from? You don't know where you order this from? I don't know where you order this from. Well, I guess she'll let y'all know what you ordered it from. Y'all trying to get this. You feel me? You might leave it in the description box. But we finna get ready to test this thing out. We finna see how this thing go. So y'all see already, we already got her laid out already. Y'all can see right here. I got her laid out right there. I'm finna go ahead. Gonna put some little, I think it's lubricated they put on there. So I'm being a doctor today. What it is? What is it? Maternity doctor? I'm being a maternity doctor today. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this on her. Them bees hungry, I gotta hold my hand on. K A to Z. Alright, I'm doing this right now. So you can find it so the Doppler will go on there very smooth, you feel me? That's the first thing first, you feel me? Alright. So now we're gonna take the Doppler. We're gonna turn this thing on. I don't know how accurate it is, y'all. Turn this thing on. But I think that's the, okay. We'll turn it on, y'all see it right there. The heart rate will come up right there. We're gonna use this to check the test out the baby heart. Is it on already? Alright, now we're gonna turn the volume up. We're gonna turn the volume up on it, y'all. We're gonna try and listen, and we're gonna try to listen for it. Try to listen for it, y'all. I don't want to press it too hard. You gotta press it kind of hard a little bit. You might have to turn it, but you never know. The baby ain't gonna be in that same spot. Sound like a hospital. Let me see. I just heard a little bit of it. This thing kind of crazy, man. I hear it right now. Let y'all hear it. Y'all hear it? Listen. Y'all hear that? There it is. That little guy there. It should accurate how her heart rate is really accurate on him. It is 1 something. It was. Y'all let me know in the comment section, is this thing accurate or what? Y'all think it is, but it's accurate. I hear the baby though. I hear the baby, y'all. As y'all see it, we hear the baby though. What you think about that? You can hear it though. You can, whenever month, so whatever months you get, you can just go ahead and just keep using this. Every other month, or every month you use this to check your baby out and see if it's okay. I guess they use it to see if it's okay and all that, you feel me? So I don't know. Yeah, so I guess that's it right now for this video, y'all. Y'all like this video, y'all want to try this with y'all baby moms or whoever it is. Y'all want to try to get this Doppler? I guess she gonna leave it in the comments. She gonna leave it in the description, not in the comments. She gonna leave it in the description box, y'all, so I can find out where y'all can get this from. So I think that's it for this video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got some more stuff coming to y'all way. We gonna take y'all on this journey, man. Everything we do on the daily, man. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned, and we out, man.
Get me lit. We in the spot, making it hot, nobody on shit. I got the sauce, I got the drip, making them sick. I got a bottle, you got a bottle, let's take a sip. Let's take a sip. Get me lit, get me lit, get me lit. Yeah. We in the spot, making it hot, nobody on